Hey YouTube, Untamed here. So I am just now transferring all of the car seats into the Land Cruiser for the first time, and we're going to take its quote-unquote maiden voyage with the whole family someplace today. And a part of me, it kind of pains me a little bit because I know this is the last time that my Land Cruiser will be quote-unquote untouched. You know, I mean, it'll be last time that it's still perfect, because right when you throw 4 kids in the back of it, well, game over a little bit, right? But that's why I got it. That's what they're for, ladies and gentlemen. You can't keep them perfect. You got to enjoy them with the family. So that's what we're doing. But I figured I'd document me removing the plastics off of the third row seats back here. I actually just started doing it. I figured might as well go grab the camera and share it with you guys this moment. For the 14 of you out there that care, love that. And I love the fact, by the way, that the 200 series still had the split hatch. That's awesome. I absolutely love that. And there's been a few events in the past that, you know, like we watch fireworks sitting on the back of our tailgate here, which is really cool for the Land Cruiser. They got rid of this for the 300 series, which is kind of baffling. So as you can see here, already taking them off this seat here, taking it off this seat, which I'm happy I didn't have my camera out because I look like a real winner trying to fumble it off because I had never actually used the third row seat back here before. So super easy to use, as you'd imagine. But let's document the removal of this one here. So you pop this to release it from the sidewall here. And let me give you more of a view. So now it should come down. Start pulling it up here. So I'm doing it with one hand now. Let's see how we do. All right, we're cruising. Kid on Christmas morning. There's a strange level of satisfaction doing this. Maybe I'm alone on that weirdness. Okay. Wow, it is really up there. Okay, I think we got it. That could have been a little more elegant, but we got it. We're off. Okay. Let's get this over here. And now we just pulled this bad Johnny right here. And it sets. Oop, well, bring back a little more than that. I can adjust it. Okay. There you have it. The third row for the first time ever. Hold on. That's a little better. Third row. Not a ton of space. Not a ton of space back there. What is that about? What is that, about 7 inches right there? I guess if I was TRD John, that'd be 14 inches or so. So, all right. Well, we got a third row. That's cool. And I would argue that this is almost bigger than the Sequoia back space here. But let me remind some of you guys, a lot of you were quick to comment on my video buying this, saying, and this is better than a Sequoia. How? Or a lot space-wise, people are like, it's no bigger than a Sequoia. And you're right, it's not. And I didn't get it to be bigger or a Sequoia replacement per se. We are buying a minivan to be the family hauler. This will be always a quote-unquote backup. But I love the fact that I can haul my kiddos around in this if I ever needed to. So, love the third row. Happy that we have it. Imagine we got another little mini headrest we could put here, I think. But yeah, one thing that makes this better than the Sequoia is this. So instead of just opening the rear hatch on the Sequoia and having all your groceries just fall out because it's all one giant hatch, at least we get a catch, if that makes sense, right? The stuff isn't going to fall out when we open it up. Having like a little cubby here, which I appreciate. The van that we're getting, I'm not going to tell you which one it is. It is between a Honda Odyssey and the Sienna. So it's between those there. The van we're getting, I didn't realize this, but they have a huge, like, deep bucket area back here. Apparently that's pretty standard on most vans. I didn't know that. But I'm excited to get that. Mrs. Untamed is stoked to get that. So we can actually throw, groceries back there, and it's pretty deep. We're talking like 1.5 feet deep, kind of like a giant bucket, which is really cool. So there you have it, team. Kind of close to the window. Let's see how that works. Huh. I guess we're good. So there you have it. The Heritage Edition is getting goldfish in it and crumbs in it. I can already feel it happening today, even though I'm going to try not to give them any snacks in here. But, well, if you're a parent, you know how that goes. So there you have it, guys. Let me know what your thoughts are. Appreciate you watching as always. Until next time.